trick, DIYs. Once you've finished the wall, don't wait to take your crosses out, because your glue's drying pretty fast. Don't wait for days to go by before you take out your crosses or wedges or whatever, because they'll all be stuck. If you take them out like I am now, that's how easy it is. Fast, you don't lose time, and they're not breaking off in there. So a tip for everyone. Take them out pretty soon, because you see all those crosses are into the glue, and if I waited till after the weekend to try and take them out, I would be spewing and fluffing around with pliers and God knows what to get them out. But you take them out at the right time, and it takes 5 minutes. Because if they're stuck in there, and they can break off and all sorts, you have a hell of a job. So that's today's tip. If you've learnt nothing, we'll take this on board. Then you just sweep them up, chuck them out, sweep it up, chuck out. They're not worth saving. And if there's any glue like on your tile like that, well then you're able to just rub it off nicely. And there you have a presented wall ready for grout. And that's another story. I'll show you that in a couple of days' time. Now if a DIY did that, he'd be pretty impressed with himself. And it's not that hard to do if you follow Chriso's advice. And you're humming. I'll get a hard plastic spatula to take off all that wax. It'll scrape off, but needs something like plastic so it doesn't damage the tile. That one's a bit of a, that's a bit of a bent one. It's sticking out slightly. Ew. Okay. See you later. Yibbity yibbity yibbita. That's all, folks.